Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So for the body, we're going to use a circle. For the head, we're also going to use a circle. This is our big shape. This is our medium shape. For the wings, we're going to use triangles. For the legs, we can use rectangles. So now we can add the details, right? So we got our big, middle, and small. For the beak, we just use a triangle. The eyes, we can use a circle. And then you connect it. So step one are the shapes. Step two is a big, middle, and small. 3 is the details. So now you can add your patterns, you can add whatever you would like. Got it? Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.